Hello, my name is Kajal and today I'm going to tell you that how to get homemade remedy for stomachache, cold, cough. So the ingredients are ginger, one small size ginger and 3 garlic. First you have to peel this ginger skin. So the mud which is on the ginger will come out. See, this way we have to peel the ginger so that the mud is come out of the skin. Now same way you have to peel the garlic also. If you want you can add more garlic. I have taken 3 pieces of it. Now after peeling this, you have to wash this so that excess mud which is there will come out. Nicely you can wash this. This way. Now there is no mud at all. Now what you do, you chop this ginger. Chop this garlic. Now to get the extra juice of it, just you can press this harder. Now what you have to do after smashing this ginger and garlic, you just light the gas, put this vessel and take one full glass of water. pour in this and add this ginger and garlic paste into it. Now stir it nicely. Now let it boil. Now we have taken 1 full glass of water. So after boiling you literally make this much, 3/4 of it. So we'll wait till it becomes 3/4 of the water. Now see, the water has reduced to this much. Now we'll turn off the gas. And we will now see, we have taken 1 full glass of water and it is almost reduced to 3/4. Now what we have to do is take this honey add 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of honey to it. Stir it nicely. If you want, you can add more also. I'll add 1 more spoon because small children will like this sweetness of honey. Stir it nicely. Now this ginger, garlic and honey kada is very much helpful for stomach ache, cold, cough. It is very useful. You can also give to small school going children and adults. Anyone can drink this milk. And if it benefits few people also, I'll be very thankful to it. So if you like this drink, please subscribe my channel and say thumbs up. Thank you.